I think we are good to start, and the live stream is now all set up and okay. So let me ask you, are you ready?
Yeah, quite ready. Thank you.
Okay, so first, let me welcome everyone to our Amy for today. So, hello, Crypto Panda community. Welcome, everyone. And it is very great to see such a diverse crowd here with us today, from crypto enthusiasts to seasoned investors, developers, and even media influencers. So, guys, we are all here gathered in a Binance Live AMA for one reason, and that is innovation in the blockchain space. So, guys, let us dive into a very exciting discussion about Renta Network and how it is aiming to revolutionize the rental market globally. So, for today's AMA, guys, with me today is Mike, Mr. Mike, Renta Network's BD, who is here, of course, to give us some insights and maybe even pitch a little on why Renta is the next big thing. So, welcome to Crypto Panda, Mr. Mike. So, before we actually get to know more about Renta, is it okay if we start with a quick, self introduction from you?
Yeah, sure. Welcome everybody. Thank you very much for this opportunity to reach such esteemed audience. And we are the team which is developing a Renta project. We have quite a large experience in developing of the software and marketing for the business to business applications and also the applications for the private users. So now we decided to have this first session for Renta project because we reached some significant achievements, and we just want to show the community what we have and what are our plans, and we can go ahead.
Thank you very much for the very enthusiastic introduction, Mr. Mike. And once again, it's a pleasure for the Crypto Panda community to have you here. Thank you very much for your time and effort to make this AMA possible. So, Mr. Mike, let us start with the basic. So, can you give us like a general overview as to what Renta Network is all about and how is it different from other blockchain projects out there?
Okay. With Renta Network, it's all about changing the rental market using blockchain and Web3 technologies. So you can tokenize and lease almost any asset straight from your phone. What makes us different is our own made OP stack blockchain, which is very scalable and, on the other hand, cost effective. So we also tokenize the real world assets, RWAs, with property NFT. That means that rental asset become a non-fungible token powered by smart contract. This is how we work to ensure that things have a unique digitalization and that transactions with them are transparent and secure. And we don't focus only on real estate. The platform can handle potentially many type of rentals, such as equipment, vehicles, property, some digital assets, also mining equipment, etc. So that makes Renta is very versatile and flexible solution. Now, for those who considering investing, there are some compelling opportunities here. Institutional investors, in particular, can tap into platform with a potential scale of rapid growth and disrupt the huge industry. By investing in Renta, you are positioning yourself at the forefront of a market transformation with the chance to achieve significant returns as we grow. And you're not just buying into a company, you're investing in an innovative ecosystem that is designed to expand quickly and unlock new value in a multi-billion-dollar market. Uh, for solo enthusiasts, our utility and DAO tokens offer you a chance to get in the ground floor of the platform, which is with a rising value, making early involvement potentially highly financially rewarding as a network grows. As for our potential partners, the benefits to go beyond is not just the financial gains. Collaborating with Renta is a strategic move that enhances your visibility and credibility by aligning with an innovating and forward-thinking project. Um, it's all about mutual growth. Working with us can help to dive into more commercial cash flow, reach new audiences, evaluate your own offerings as a partner through a cutting edge technology integration and operational excellence. So, in a nutshell, Renta networks offer a unique opportunity for investors and partners alike, whether you are looking for invest in high potential platform or collaborate to drive mutual growth. So, we invite you to join this exciting journey. Hopefully, this answered your question, so we can go to next.
It did, Mr. Mike. Thank you very much for that. And that is a really detailed explanation. And that really helped our audience right now to have a better grasp of understanding as to what Renta Network is all about. So thank you very much for that. So, of course, with the nature of renta, you guys are revolutionizing the rental market globally. So we all know that the rental market is very large, traditionally. So basically, we can conclude that renta is competing with traditional services. So, Mr. Mike, my next question for you is, why do you think your approach will succeed in a market with strong competitors?
Yes, traditional rental services like Airbnb, Booking.com, and etc. are very popular, but they have obvious problems too. For example, they have high transaction fees, sometimes up to 20%, including hidden payments. And also, they control everything, so meaning that they can change or block your listings and your transactions. Also, what we can see the regional and political limits that can stop one from using the platform in some places. Uh, Renta is different as we are not trying to create a new market. We want to compete with these centralized services in a decentralized, cross border, and cost effective model that has a great experience, great user experience, and virtually unlimited scalability. So we use smart contracts, property NFTs, and cryptocurrency to solve such problems. On Renta, transactions are peer-to-peer on the blockchain with only a small gas fee comparing to fees of traditional services. And no central authority can block or change listings or transactions. Plus, with usage of the cryptocurrency, you can do transactions anywhere in the world without worrying about political obstacles or limits. So Renta's strategy focuses on two critical areas of success. First is that platform is built to be user friendly for all types of users, wherever they are familiar with cryptocurrency or not. It has an intuitive design that ensures users can navigate the system easily and enjoy a seamless experience without needing of deep knowledge of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Secondly, Renta is executing a comprehensive marketing strategy to effectively reach customers through various channels. This approach involves communicating in a ways that resonate with different audience segment, from tech-savvy early adopters to more traditional users. By tailoring messaging for each group and utilizing multiple platforms to reach out. Renta aims to build a broad awareness and attract diverse user base, establishing itself as a competitive choice in the rental market. Okay.
Thank you very much for that, Mr. Mike. That's very outstanding. Thank you so much for that. So now let's talk about user experience, which is something very important as well. So, Mr. Mike, my next question for you is: how does Renta make sure that the users have a better experience compared to other services out there? For example, from your competitors.
Yes, yes. Very good question. So at Rand, user experience is very important. Is actually one of the keys for success, which we believe there is. We believe that technology should be easy to use, and that's why we made the Rent application as simple as and smooth as possible. So our team work hard to make blockchain easy. Blockchain can be is very powerful, but also difficult to understand for some of the users. So we hide the difficult parts of using the platform. And for example, smart contracts automatically handle rental agreements and making transactions secure and easy. And users don't need to know how smart contract work. They just need to know their rental is safe and easy. One thing that makes special the Renta platform is that usage of the AI with the blockchain. So our platform intended to use AI to automate tasks like creating property descriptions from photos, finding the best prices. AI also helps with finance, scheduling, and predicting property demand. And many other things like multilingual language support, for instance. Uh, Also, when you combine AI with a blockchain, you get system that's not only efficient but also trustworthy. Okay. Next is legal issues, which are also quite important. The property NFT with smart contracts are unique and legally binding and self-executing, as you probably know. This reduces the chances of disputes. And if there is a problem, our platform has tools for fair arbitration. And also, we work with legal experts to make sure that we follow rules in different countries. We always put the customer first and keep improving our platform based on what users needs and wants. By the way, this is exactly why we need a big community uh, because we need a valuable feedback from the community about the project and the product. Okay.
Thank you so much for that, Mr. Mike. And it's nice to know that you guys really, emphasize the value of your customers, of your users, and everything is streamlined for them. Everything is, you guys are doing your best to make it very convenient for your users. So that is very amazing to know. Thank you so much for that, Mr. Mike. So now another thing that we are really curious about, Mr. Mike, is about let's talk about your traction. Okay, about your recent achievements. So Mr. Mike, can you tell us what Renta has achieved so far? I mean, what milestones have you guys hit recently?
Okay. By the way, do you hear me well?
Yes, I
Yeah.
can hear you loud and clear, Mr. Mike.
Okay. Fine. Uh, So let's talk about what Renda has achieved so far. What milestones we have. So we're really proud of what we have done. We launched recently our testnet on the OP stack, which is a big step. Also, we have rolled out the beta version of Web3 application. This app has important features like a non-custodial wallet, staking, and soon we will add DAO features too. Our community really enjoys using our Telegram bot. It has many features like ranking and referral program, tap feature with test tokens, high quality information support, news channel, and a chat. We also made some important partnerships, which help us to expand our functionality and build the trust in the project. Right now, our community is growing quickly, and we already have over 60,000 members on Telegram and 13,000 followers on Twitter. So, which is really exciting for us. Uh, the existing Renta installation already available in the network is implemented strictly in accordance with a roadmap, uh, which is which was given on our website in the beginning of the project and also indicated in the white book. Uh, and it demonstrates a technical competence of the team and its commitment for the project goals achievement in time and fully in the scope, and providing our ability to manage complex solutions and develop a strong platform. Our rapidly growing community highlights significant market interest and potential for future growth. The broad interactions not only provide a solid basis for forming partnerships and improving the platform, but also a unique chance to attract a large base of early adopters of the platform. So, first users, let's say. Uh, Overall, that represents an exciting opportunity to be a part of a cutting edge project with significant prospects for partnerships and investors.
Thank you very much for that, Mr. Mike. And that is very impressive. Congratulations for those milestones. So, another question that I wanted to ask before, since you've already told us about your achievements, what milestones have you guys recently hit? Let's talk about what's next for Renta. So, Mr. Mike, can you tell us what are your upcoming plans that we can look forward to?
Okay, yeah. So we have a clear plan for rent and grow, reflected in the roadmap, and to stay competitive in the market, to penetrate the market, and we're planning to launch active campaign to increase brand awareness and bring new users, more members of the community. Also, the integration of rental services is very important. It helps us to provide Web3 functionality and provide users with a seamless experience that combines the best aspects of traditional platforms with advantages of the blockchain. We plan to deploy the main blockchain network, followed by current testnet run, and we will apply scaling solutions to handle more transactions efficiently, making the platform faster and more reliable. So for investor and partners, Renta offers a strong opportunity due to our advanced technology and growing user base. Our strategic plan for brand expansion position is to capture a significant share of the market and provide substantial financial returns. This combination of cutting-edge technology and market growth makes Renta a promising investment, we believe. Uh, Additionally, our commitment to scalability ensures that we can handle increased transaction volumes efficiently, supporting long-term success of the technology which we are using. By joining us now, stakeholders have a chance to influence the project direction also and enjoy the benefits to be first early adopters. Thank you.
Thank you so much for those, Mr. Mike, and we will surely look forward to those plans. So, guys, lots of things to look forward to. Make sure to follow Renta Network, of course, on their social media links to stay updated. Thank you very much, Mr. Mike. So, now since we're already here gathered with our international audience today, Mr. Mike, we in the audience, of course, would like to see a demonstration of what is publicly available as per now, of course. So, is that okay?
Yes, sure, sure. Well, let us try to share the screen. Okay, how do you see the browser window?
Yup, it's visible, Mr. Mike.
Okay, okay. Okay, let me first let's go to the website. It's renta.network. So here you can have all the general information about the project. Also, here you can have a link for the web-free application and the white book. Then you can see different types of properties which we are targeting. You can see the some designs of the web-free applications, which is in the mind of our team. The blockchain explanation for those who need more information about the project architecture. Then tokenomics is quite interesting for people who want to engage in the project, for the community, investors, maybe advisors, partners, and information about bounties and airdrops. Okay, here also you can see roadmap. We update it frequently, so you can see the completed task, tasks and roadmap milestones. And the latest news. Some of them are announcements with the partners, like we recently have with Gmail. We have news about our testnet, go live, etc., etc. Partners are also listed here. Okay, the next is from the website. You can go to the more detailed information given in the white book. The white book was made in the beginning of the project, and as I said, we strictly follow it in all the parts. So those who are interested can download it and study, and hopefully it will give you a very comprehensive information about the project itself. Then next part is quite important for us, or most important for developers, basically. So here we have a so-called Bluetail Explorer. Bluetail is a powerful tool that allows user to interact with our Bluetail testnet. That's how we call it, Bluetail. It provides a comprehensive view of the network activities, including transaction histories, smart contracts, interactions, and node statuses. This transparency is critical for maintaining trust and ensuring the smooth operation of the platform. One of the primary purposes of the Bluetail testnet is to identify and resolve bugs before they affect the launch of the main network. So, by simulating the real world scenarios in a controlled environment, developers and users can test and new features and as well as report bugs and provide feedback, which is very valuable for improving the platforms. And we provide intensives for significant bug discovery. So the testnet is excellent environment for stress testing of the platform. And by simulating high traffic transaction volumes, we can ensure that the system can handle real world demands without compromising their performance. So, okay. And you can connect your as a user, you can connect your wallet here, which is linked to your user ID. Then we will go to the Telegram. Uh, in the Telegram, we have our Renta Network news channel. So the members of the community must follow, must be a member of the Telegram uh, news channel. So here you can have all the latest news with important links and with the links also to Twitter, YouTube, Discord, and other resources. Then very important tool of this setup, the mechanics which we have right now is the Telegram bot. So now in the Telegram bot, each user, once it registered, can go first to settings and select the language from the very big list of languages which are supported. Then we advise first to link your wallet, which will be a unique wallet for your account in the Telegram. And then you can start to earn points and become to have a rank in the rank program, to use a referral program, etc., etc. So also for the rank program, we have a system which ranks users from beginner, advanced, master, etc., to a partner with a higher rank. So you can see here all the privileges of each level, which is quite important because you have more and more features in the system as your rank growing. So by earning points in the tasks, you can increase your level and increase the features which is available for you. Okay. Then here also in the Telegram, you can see all the terms of ranking program, the terms of referral program, different activities which are open, the DAO terms are also there, and invitations for partners. Okay, one interesting thing is having the tab feature here. So here you can achieve, you can get test tokens of Renta, and they will be reflected. Now you can have a limited number of tabs per day. So then you will have it in your Web3 wallet. You will see. Uh, Sorry, yeah. So here I created a new account and made some taps, and the MetaMask wallet received a number of test tokens of Renta. So these are utility tokens of Renta. Okay. Now, here is the what we have right now for Web3 application. So first, you start with linking of your wallet, which is the same wallet which you link it with your Telegram account, and here you can see that what is in your wallet and how much tokens you have. Okay. Just a second. Okay, so we encourage you to register in Telegram, evaluate opportunities for community participation, try it out test tokens tab, because that will be important to receive the airdrop, and track mechanics in Web3. Uh, so the opinion of the community, potential partners, and marketing, market making, technology, business in general, investors, of what already have been done and what will be done in future is very important for us. So I hope that was satisfying demonstration. So okay, let's continue with the questions.
That was a very great presentation, Mr. Mike. Thank you very much for that. That's actually a lot of potential value for participants. Thank you so much once again for that. We really appreciate that. But now, just minutes earlier from your presentation, Mr. Mike, you mentioned about the ranking and referral program. So I know for sure that our audience right now are really interested on this, right? So Mr. Mike, can you explain to us more about the ranking and referral programs? How do they work, and why exactly should our audience care about this? Why should they not miss this out?
Okay. Yeah. First of all, in the Telegram bot, which I showed to you, there are clear terms of referral and ranking program. So if you have any questions, just go there and see the latest, all the necessary information about how to participate in the program. In general, our ranking and referral program are designed to reward people who actively participate. And when you join these programs, where you're inviting your friends to rent, helping out in the community, or completing the tasks in the testnet, you earn points. These points increase your rank in the renter community. So your rank is important because it determines how many utility tokens and DAO tokens, real tokens, you can earn from reward pools. So you can check the white book tokenomics and see what is the reward pool for this. But it's not just about the money. It's also building a strong and engaged community around Renta. The higher the rank, the more influence and benefits you get. So it's a win-win. You help Renta to grow, and we make sure you get rewarded for it. Plus, participation in our program is not just a way to earn tokens; it's also a chance to learn about the platform and help it to be better. So your feedback is very valuable, and we get ready. So we, as we get ready for the full launch of the platform, and uh, okay, rent advanced technology and potential for expansions make, let's say, very promising options. Participation allow you to capitalize on the innovative platform and benefit from the projected success. Uh, our strategic brand expansion and dedication to scalability equip for a huge future financial gains, and we target to grab a significant market share. So the platform provides a unique opportunity for community members to invest through our rental and referral programs. Uh, you know that again, then higher the ranks, higher ranks provide more opportunities to get inside and receive rewards, and to actively engage in the process of rent development or on the early stage. Yeah, and by become involved early, you not only benefit from that financially, but also you will have a significant impact on the project direction. This involvement enables you to earn valuable tokens, so also becoming directly engaged in the platform development uh, and improvement. Okay.
Thank you for that, Mr. Mike. And once again, that's a very great advice for our listener today as well. Thank you so much for that. And one last question. From earlier, you also mentioned about partnerships, right? So, that is my final question for you, Mr. Mike. So, it really sounds like Renta is making some serious moves. So, for potential partners or investors that are listening with us right now in the audience, can you tell us, Mr. Mike, what are the kind of collaborations that Renta is looking for?
Yeah, thank you for question. Yeah, we're looking for different types of partnerships to help us to grow and innovate more. Uh, for investors, whether you're interested in equity token investments, Renta offers a unique chance to get early on a platform that could disrupt a huge industry. For entrepreneurs and startups, we're open to explore joint ventures and co-marketing opportunities. We're also interested in partnerships with exchanges, market makers, and media outlets to help to increase our visibility and credibility. For tech professionals and developers, we're looking for collaborations in areas like artificial intelligence and neural networks, smart contracts, L2, NFT, RWA, digital identifiers. Also, we're quite interested in big data, predictive analysis, virtual and augmented reality, property management, supply chains, and the cloud architectures. So the bottom line is that we're building something big here. We want to bring others along the ride, and yeah. Again, for investors gain early access to potentially disruptive platform with opportunities for significant financial returns for equity in the token investments, maybe X 100, I don't know. Uh, then entrepreneurs and startup can leverage joint ventures and co-marketing initiatives to expand their reach and grow the businesses in a tandem with Renta. Exchanges and market makers benefit from increasing visibility and enhanced credibility by association with innovating platforms, driving more trading activity and attractive new users. And for tech professionals and developers, they have a chance to work with cutting edge project from artificial intelligence, engagement, payment system, fintech, gaining recognition, contributing to groundbreaking breaking achievements which we prospect. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mike, for sharing so much valuable information about Renta Network today. So, before we wrap up, Mr. Mike, do you have any final thoughts or messages that you would like to share with our audience listening to us today?
Okay. Okay. First of all, thank you, and I appreciate everyone taking time to learn about Renta. We really excited of what we are building, and if you're a crypto enthusiast, developer, institutional investor, or someone interested in the future of the technology, we invite you to join us wherever is joining our community or exploring partnership opportunities. There is a place in the Renta ecosystem. And at the start, we believe that we are at the start of something really big, and there's lots of room to grow together. Your support, ideas, energy will help us to be a success. And so connect with us on Telegram, uh, visit our website, and other social media from there will be also visible. And thank you very much again. And we look forward seeing you what we can achieve as a community.
Thank you so much, Sir Mike, and thanks to everyone as well in the audience who joined us for today's AMA. So, guys, be sure to stay connected with Renta Network, of course, for future updates and opportunities as well. And you guys will be able to do that, of course, by giving them a follow on their social media links, which we already shared to our Telegram community at Crypto Panda. Thank you so much once again, everyone. Thank you very much, Mr. Mike, and have a very great day, guys. Bye bye.
Goodbye.